Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to round corners in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Affinity Designer and then create a new project or add image, then click onto vector. So we want to use Vector Studio. Now on the left hand side we want to go ahead and use this rectangle tool UI, so we can choose what type of roundness. So I want to click onto probably that one there. Now we've got corner, we've got percent. Now we just need to drag out our image like so. So you can see here but what I want to do is drag it out in the image. So I'm just going to delete these and then I'm just going to start on this corner basically. So I'm going to drag it out like so. Now I'm just going to zoom out a bit. So I need to make that a little bit bigger to make it fit the page. Yeah, that looks good from there. Now once we've done that, we need to come over to layers and then we just need to drag the image above that layer like so. So like that. And if you've got any extras in here, I'm just going to delete that. So yeah, that's basically how to round corners in Affinity Designer.